Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. It's Dia time. I'm gonna start getting these once a month again. But, so the next one won't come until right around my birthday, which is so fun. So let's see what's in this one. It's been a week. The box showed up on Monday, but I had my nephew. And then, so I picked it up Wednesday from work, and I forgot to do it Wednesday. So I have today to do it. Or today or tomorrow. Alright, well the cross section looks nice. There's some nice colors in there. Okay. I don't like to read my thing before I look at the clothes, so. Alright, so on top is this Cold-Shoulder by Leota, exclusively for Dia & Co. It's a 5X. It looks like it might be a little short on me, but we shall see. What is this material? Does it say? "94% polyester, 6% spandex." Okay, so it's polyester. It doesn't feel stiff or anything. It feels really soft, but it was a fabric that just felt different than normal cotton, I guess. This is by East Adeline. You know that I love East Guys, I don't know what it is, but I love a bell sleeve. So there's this really gorgeous burgundy top from East Adeline. It's a bit see-through, so I'm a little worried about that, but I love the color and I love the bell sleeves. Alright, so this looks like this is going to be a dress. Okay. This is Cameo Appearance. And it's in a 5X. Let me show you guys the tag. So it's a floral dress with, looks like it's banded around the middle, a scoop neck. This on the back looks funny to me. It looks like a Japanese obi. Looks like it's going to be midi length on me, but I like this floral print. I don't know why, but I've been like super into floral prints lately, and I love the dark blue background. It'll look really nice with my hair. Alright. Ooh, a jean jacket! This is by Molly and Isadora, another company that I adore. So this is a very stretchy jean jacket, and I have a light color jean jacket that I don't like. I got it at a thrift shop for like $5 a couple years ago. And then I have one that I got from Avenue that the arms are a little too tight for me. But hopefully this fits, because if you watched my Reb Dolls haul, that spaghetti strap dress that's like a tan color, someone suggested I wear a jean jacket with that, and I thought that would look so cute together. And finally, looks like a pair of jeans from Morgan & Walker. I'm wearing a pair of Morgan & Walker jeans right now from the last box. I don't know about this color, although it's probably a really cute color for spring. We'll have to see how it looks on me. But Morgan & Walker jeans fit me really nicely. I do like the little cuff on the ankle. That's really cute. So, I guess let's try these on. I'll show you what I'm wearing now. The top is from Swak. So the top is from my Swak haul, and then these are the black Morgan & Walker jeans that I got the last time. pardon the mess, I haven't cleaned up from my nephew being here. So let's try some of these on. Okay, here is the Cameo dress. I love the sleeves on it. I love that it's 3/4 sleeve. The neckline is really flattering on me. I think this looks really cute. Try to look at myself in the... Yeah! And it hits me just below the knee, so I wouldn't have to wear leggings with it. I would just wear like some shorts underneath. Show you the back. Does this look funny? That's my only thing. I'm gonna have to look at the footage. If this looks funny, then I don't really like it, but it's a nice cotton. It's nice and soft. It's so comfortable. I would wear this every day. It's so cute. All right, next one. Okay, so here is the Floral Cold-Shoulder top. I don't like it. It's too short. I don't like how it like clings to everything. And it's not, it's like, shows such a weird part of my arm. And then here's the jeans. I kind of hate that they fit so nicely because the color is so weird, but they fit so well. But I just don't see green pants being practical for me. So these two are probably gonna go back. Yeah, I don't know. Let me try on that red top real quick with these pants on. Okay, now that I have this on, I don't like it. Again, it's too short for me. And the bell sleeves hit me in a funny spot. I kind of want them to be like this, but they're like this. And I don't know, this also feels out of season to me. This feels more fall, winter than like springtime, which is sad because I was hoping the bell sleeves would work. Let me try on that jacket. You guys, I kind of hate that this fits so nicely. Wait, how's the pocket? Oh, the pocket's sewed shut, so you'd have to undo that, but I like that it's kind of a cropped length. The arms fit me great. It's a great length on the arms. And I think it looks so cute with this jacket, or with this dress. Ugh. Dang it. All right, let's sit down and talk about it. Okay, I went and I looked at that footage and the dress looks nice, but I think the back looks funny. Oh, you guys are sliding. We're good, we're good. Stay. Okay. So I went back and looked at it and I don't know, the dress looks a little bit silly. Not silly, but like, I liked it, but that band in the middle I thought on my back looked funny. And so probably not going to keep that. I'm definitely not going to keep the jeans. Let's read what she wrote. I'm so happy to see you found so many items you love. I can't wait for you to see the show-stopping pieces I have pulled for you this time. Get ready for spring with the Floral Cold-Shoulder top. Wear them with the light blue jeans and a comfy pair of sneakers when you spend time with family. Complete the look with the denim jacket. Try the denim jacket with the floral knit dress to keep it casual, or dress it up as a statement necklace on a night out to dinner. Enjoy the burgundy bell sleeve tee with the jeans from your last box and a long pendant necklace. It's funny because I wore the jeans from my last box. Keep sending your feedback so I can continue to make this experience better for you. I hope you're feeling as amazing as you will look in these pieces. I can't wait to tune in to your next unboxing. I connected my YouTube channel to my Dia thing, so she gets to watch my videos. Hi! So the jeans are gonna go back for sure, although they fit super nice and I love them. The cold shoulder top's gonna go back. I didn't like the length on that. The bell sleeve top is gonna go back. I didn't like the length on that one. I love the bell sleeves though. I think the dress is gonna go back. Let's see. The jeans were $65. The cold shoulder top and the bell sleeve top are both $59. And the jacket is $79, and I'm so about this jacket. Like, no question am I keeping this jacket. This jacket is going to be my new best friend. But that dress, like, part of me really wants to keep it, but when I turned around, I did not like the look of that band across my back. And I have those weird, you know, that weird roll in the middle, and it looks like another set of boobs on my back. I can't even, like, say that it doesn't, because it does. I'm not wearing the right bra for this dress, but oh my gosh, these two are made to wear together. So happy. So I think I'm just going to keep the jacket for $79. The dress was $75, which I think is okay for that dress. And so my total is going to be $59 because of my styling fee. So she did really good though. Like, I can't even complain. Like, I loved all the pieces. They just didn't fit me the way that I want them to fit. So she didn't do a bad job. She did a great job again. And I'm really happy with my Dia experience. I can't complain about Dia. I love that someone picks out clothes that they think will look good on me, and that she takes the time and she knows about my channel, and, you know, I like it a lot. I think this is like my 7th box or so, so I'm really happy. I wore something the other day. My mom's like, "Oh, I love that. Where'd you get that?" Oh, I wore the pink and the red dress to Easter, and my mom's like, "That dress is so cute. Where'd you get that?" I was like, "Oh, it's from Dia." So I love saying that to people. "Oh, it's from Dia." All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.